Hello, YouTube. I'm about to go to bed. Actually, that's not true. I'm reading a phenomenal book called Zag by Marty Neumeier. That's part of The Sexy Seven, as recommended by Michael O'Neill at the Solopreneur Hour, solohour.com. And these things are not really connected. However, this book is sitting on my belly, so I figured I would ask, or at least mention this here book. But I wanted to ask you guys, what can I do for you better? Please let me know down in the comments. What can I provide to you? What would you like to learn? What would you like to know? What type of content do you like the most? Please help me help you. It's good for all of us. I believe that we don't operate in a zero-sum world anymore, especially digitally speaking. Time has become more valuable as technology has increased because the speed, the pace of life has increased. But it's no longer a zero-sum game of information because information is at our fingertips. So I'd like to know, what can I offer you? What do I do that you really like? Now, I'm not terribly interested, in fact, I'm not at all interested in what I do that you don't like. That's not what this video is about. But I would love to know, what content do we create at this channel that you just love? You would love to have more of. That's the first thing. And if we could meet in person, what would we talk about in person? That's the second thing. So if you could let me know down below, I would greatly appreciate it. Shalom.